our home. Now this is what you came to say. Hey guys, welcome back to another Jesse Plays Gaming Vlogs video, and today we're watching the fireworks. We're set up here off Mare McGrath, looking off into that area. So that's approximately where the fireworks are going to be. I might reposition when they send up the first fire. But yeah, I have all my tripod stuff here ready to go. Oh boy, I don't have my tripod set up, and I probably just, okay, how it's gonna go is like that, and then the tripod points off that way. So I'll get this up, and yeah, another candidate. This is the second year I'm doing this. I hope you guys actually like it. Sorry for any wind noise. It is getting very windy as we come up to the fireworks. People have fires going. I'm still seeing people going up and down this street, so it's going to be exciting. Also, there are lots of cars that are still going by, so even during the fireworks that'll be happening. Just fair warning. I also have a power bar here to keep everything fully charged. So yeah, let's go to the tripod. Okay, so now we have the tripod set up. So he'll sit here at the angle, and it'll basically be recording that. That's what we're gonna have. Obviously, there'll be more focus than that. This will be on the app for this thing, so I'm gonna have two different recordings, but this recording, I'm recording this on the normal Samsung. Yes, my phone is a Samsung. I've probably said that many times. I'm recording right now on the normal Samsung camera. When I record the actual fireworks, I'm going to be recording on the app for this, which is Z something. I don't know, Zoomy or something. I don't know, some weird brand. I probably could find it on here, but I'm not gonna. Then I can zoom in, zoom out, record. I can change the modes. I can move. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. But then that's the greatest line ever, buddy. My editor's gonna have so much fun doing this. This is my power bar. That also comes with a flashlight, so I can see what I'm doing. Don't take that any other way. Take that way in a tiny. My editor's gonna have real fun doing this. He's getting paid really good to do this video, huh? Buddy. Getting an editor was the best thing ever. He gets to see my funny fails. I don't have to edit them myself now. Thank you, Jeff the Duck. I might actually name you Jeff the Editor. I might change your name on our Discord, because he is on our Discord. He is an admin on our Discord. I might just make him an editor and give him full permission of an admin. So basically he's an admin just titled as an editor. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. And then you'll just see that he's an editor, and then once I have hopefully more editors, I want a group helping me. I want a producer, an editor, cameraman, all of it. I want all of that. But anyway, I will go when the first shot is fired off, see how it looks. And yeah, let's go to there. Unless I pop up sooner than I'm supposed to. But yeah, now let's cut to there, wherever it may be. I can't tell the future. Well, I guess I can tell the future. I forgot to say when the fireworks start. Damn, I can tell the future, bro. I'm insane. I said that I couldn't tell the future and I might pop up. Look it, I can't tell the future and I did pop up. Anyway, the fireworks start at 11. It is, I think, 10:23. So that's the exact time of this moment. Probably is 10:24, but anyway. now. So we have, what, half an hour? 37 minutes until the fireworks are on. So this like short, probably 10-20 minutes of me talking that the editor's probably gonna cut out. Thank you, bud. Oh, I'm sounding Canadian now. But yeah, that 35 minutes, it's gonna feel like an hour. All in the wind's picking up. Hopefully they don't cancel the fireworks. But yeah. Cut to the next moment. Cut to the next moment in history. Just me again, interrupting. There are gonna be people in front of us, so I'm gonna try my best to angle it up in the sky and not hit them. So yeah, hopefully that works. Also, there's a it actually beeped just as... Anyway, there's a Jeep parked behind us, the angle parked. It was like almost running me over. Stuff, yeah. I just laughed when they locked the car just as I pointed it out. Anyway, guys, yeah, we're gonna be doing the fireworks soon. It is, oh boy, it's 15 minutes away. I'm going to start setting up. I have the tripod sitting here with the plug thing. It fell over once. I'm hoping it doesn't fall over again. But I'm just gonna do some testing. I want to be recording at like, say 45 or 50 is when I'm gonna record next, or start recording next. Yeah, something like that. Anyway, cut to then. Hopefully I don't interrupt before that. But yeah, I'll probably just give you updates as we're going. And I haven't said this yet. Happy Canada Day. It's pretty exciting today. Anyway, peace. Be back soon. Also, by the way, guys, oh gosh, it's really dark now, isn't it? By the way, guys, I forgot to mention the street light. The very annoying street light that will end me. But yeah, this is where we're gonna be looking. That was so perfectly timed. Yo! Let's go! Okay guys, I'm moving positions over here a little more. I'm so glad I caught that at the right time. Yo, that was actually sick, bro. I was a little zoomed in there. I was 0.1 over what I'm normally at, but now I know that they're kind of like over there, so I'm gonna move position. I'm moving my position, boys. That was sick. So it's time. And what time is it right now? It's 11:45. Yeah, about when I thought they would do it. Okay, there we go. Oh, have to switch over now. Okay, so this is about the best we're getting, guys. I'm going to zoom in just a little. Oh, that's whoa. That should be good. Okay, guys, so peace. Let's do this. I'm gonna make sure this thing doesn't fall over. I do have like a counterweight option that I'm gonna try out. I want it to be charging it. We're gonna see how this goes, guys. It's not the best, but we'll see. Also, by the way, guys, through some of the film I will be changing it to a short, so we'll see how that turns out. I also have, I can do this. So guys, let's see how this goes. We're already seeing the wind pop up, guys, so as you can see, as the wind picks up, it starts to do that. You see, when I get my final tripod, I think I'm gonna have a fourth leg, because 3 legs don't cut it. Or, bud, you can just have your back laid. Yeah, so now it can't fall backwards as easy, bud. Oh, look at you, sounding like a true Canadian. Here we go, guys. I heard another pop. There we go. Oh, that's way higher than I thought it would be. Guys, we're gonna get some action here. I'm about to go handheld. That's another idea, I guess, is to go handheld. Because then I have all my control here. And then I got the joystick control. Because my main thing is, I'm going to be going to, I can change the mode to be horizontal or vertical. So, I did not expect it to be that high. It is, wait, is it 50? Hold up a second, is it 53 or 58? 53? That's interesting. That's very interesting to me. I remember, up is to zoom out, down is to zoom in. And it zooms out pretty fast, and zooms in fast as well. And this year, I'm not gonna mess up. This year, I probably, like, I just want to leave it on like this or something. Like a little more out. Yeah, like right there. I feel like just setting it here, leaving it, and just watching the fireworks the whole time, and every once in a while just checking down. What do you think, guys? Leave it in the comments. And then whenever I want, I can just switch to the vertical. You guys, I will be getting up at one point to film when it gets really hard. I'm going up. I'm gonna go up there when it gets really like popping off. It sounds so weird to say that, but yeah, I will go up there and film.
Dancing's what clears my soul. Dancing's what makes me whole. Dancing is what to do. Dancing's what I think of you. Dancing's what clears my soul. Dancing's what makes me whole. Dancing is what to do. Dancing's what I think of you. Dancing's what clears my soul. Dancing's what makes me whole. Dancing is what to do. Dancing's what I think of you. Dancing's what clears my soul. Dancing's what makes me whole. Baby.
here we go. Oh, that was low. I'm moving up. I don't care. That's why I zoom out. You can hear a lot of strange noises in the background. It's so beautiful. Haha. Oh, that sounds cool though. Camera's not in focus anymore. Oh damn though. Whoa. Yo. Here we go. Yep. That's what I thought would happen. I'm literally on the side of a highway recording this for YouTube. now, guys. So here we go. Round. Boom! Oh, damn. Those are low. Do one of those up high, please, for my YouTube viewers. I'll take. Sorry to anyone who's sleeping. Sorry for wind. This is low stuff. I hate this low stuff. Stop it with this low stuff. Oh. Yo, let's go! Oh, this is fun, guys. Oh, here it goes. That was a little off by me, sorry. Oh, I'm zooming in times 5, damn. Mash, oh boy. Yeah, I knew that big one there. Woo. Sounds like thunder. Oh, there's that low stuff again. Wrong way, bud. Get ready to zoom out, bud. Yeah, it is pretty bright, isn't it, camera? If I could whistle, I would. I'm serious, I would. Oh my, I didn't see that one. We're zooming out a bit now. We have some really up high. See? Okay, I'm zooming out for the rest of this video, sorry. Damn! What the hell's going on over there? Yo! Bro, you expected me to film in 2 places. How do we have some going off here and here? Damn, they got, I see some green ones flying over there and I see some over here. What the hell? Well. Oh. The colors. Bam. Whoa, they're getting really colorful now. I think I saw one for Pride. Damn, I didn't know there was one for that. Yeah, look, that one there. That low one there. There was a low one for Pride. Really? That's it. Holy. Oh. Oh my. Freaking hell. I'm cold. I'm not gonna finish that sentence. Damn, that one was nice. Holy cow. Big one, please. Oh, I'm shaking. I'm cold. It's low. He's just streamers. I'm legit shaking. I'm cold. You can literally, if my camera would focus, you could see goosebumps. I can literally see my goosebumps. Boom. 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 There we go. Boom. Motorbikes. People screaming at me. Little do they know this video is going on YouTube, huh? I can hear that in the distance. And nearby. I think I might do a shorts part here. A heart. I think they're just throwing a bunch of hearts up into the sky now. Yep. There's some sort of shapes. They threw a purple one. They threw a purple one up there, but oh my goodness. They threw a purple one up, but you couldn't tell that it was purple. And there goes the police. Red, obviously. White and green. Red and green over there. White up there. Jeez. I take this time. Oh my gosh, gunshot. I take this time. Yeah, this definitely is the finale. Again, sorry for wind. Oh, so we're just going high now, huh? Yeah. Let's throw some low stuff and then go high again. Even higher, jeez. And then throw some low stuff in. Go up high. Oh boy. Oh, Canada, our home. Now this is what you came to see! Stuff. Hi again. Oh yeah, the beautiful purple one there. I feel like I'm commentating like the NBA or something. Jeez. Low again. Oh, here we go again. Woo! And that is the 2023 Canada Day fireworks. JPG out. It was a good year. I hope you guys enjoyed this year's fireworks, and until next year. Or until next video. Peace, love. Bye bye. Well guys, it seems like there's still some fireworks, so as we go by, guys, we're going to film them. Yes, I have an entire table inside here. It seems actually pretty dead now. Oh yeah, show off. Yeah, you can still hear some pops in the distance there, but you can't really see any fireworks anymore. Oh well, you can still hear some fireworks, it's still going on, but I can't see it. Oh my goodness, look at, oh, hey bud. Look at all the people flooding the streets. Holy cow. Look at all these people.